Right. So just to give you a few highlights of what we have planned for 2023. So we have divided the features we're going to build into different categories. As you can see, we have AI content creation tools, and we have spatial awareness, a lot of other things. And then we have also planning details, the different features in each categories. I'm not going to go into details every feature, of course, but I will focus on a few of these features I will talk about. So the first one is just Dan has highlighted before. So we're going to build a product, a feature where we can take the AI prompts, the response from that AI, and then we will automatically or semi-automatically generate 3D storyboards from that. This is a storyboard with complete immersive experience, where we're taking advantage of the latest advancement in AI to generate images, ambient sounds, animations, and voiceover, everything, so that we package it in one immersive experience, learning experience. So to do that, we're going to introduce built-in AI prompt editor. We're going to allow you to adjust the content by going back to the image text-to-image generator, for example, and tweak those images if you don't like that. Another very powerful feature that we're going to introduce is the natural language processing with spatial guidance. So what it means is that you can start to talk to the assistant and ask you to perform things for you. And also, at the same time, you can point to the different locations in your environment. So you can ask it to, for example, add a sofa here, and then maybe I want to create a knowledge portal on this wall about DNA and so on. And further down the road, we are going to look into maybe how you can add interactions also, dynamic behaviors using the natural language. So in order to do that with the spatial guidance, we need to have the avatar know more about the environment it's in. So that's why we are focusing on developing a lot of new technology for that, we call spatial awareness. So this means we're going to use AI to have you walk through the environment, and then it will automatically use image recognition to label the object that you can see in your environment. And this will help in the storytelling when you do the storyboard. And also we're going to use AR technology to sense these physical environments. So this means it knows where are the walls, where are the tables. So this will help, for example, when we want to do put the knowledge portals on the wall and have it perfectly aligned, and the assistant would know how to navigate in this mixed reality of both virtual and physical objects in the room. Another area that we have been looking into and start to do some features for is the what we call reinforced learning for spatial AI. What it means is that we are going to allow you to use AI engine and feed in your product information or some domain-specific information that you have from manuals or other data. So what it can do is that you can train the AI engine, and then you can ask it to create product maintenance procedures and other information out of this that's specific to your product. And we also plan to do support different AI engines, because each engine has its own strength, and depending on which application needs, you can use different ones. One very important feature is that we need to be able to annotate the 3D models, and we plan to do implement the new features for getting the annotation from Sketchfab, which will help you to annotate the objects. And we also planning to support another a semi-automatic way to annotate the objects using a very simple to use 3D editor. And also to customize for even more application, we plan to introduce SDK, so you can customize certain parts of the applications, the platform that we have for different enterprise use. So yeah, I think there's a lot of things we have planned.